The true analysis was revealed. Goodbye, expect to see price action consolidate around current levels, just above 1,000 cents before another round of tail risks will come back to bite price action and cause another drop in value. The price of the Shiba Inu coin is too far removed from the significant pivot level of 17.08 cents to make a strong comeback at this time. Shib pricing appears to be headed for a decline below 4 zeros, which would cause a trust crisis among investors and lead to a final settlement at 5 zeros, which would represent a further 60. Today, we'll cover the actual examination of the Shiba Inu coin and the reasons why it's destined to crash. Watch this film through to the end because it will shift the way you think about video content. Now let's return to the subject. Shiba Inu has amassed a following that is currently too enormous to be disregarded. Consequently, to support its continued existence and financial commitments. The meme coin has been attempting to build out its ecosystem quickly. The network started selling Shib, the metaverse land, last week. At the same time, it also announced the opening of the Shib burn gateway, which has been progressing in its own right. Over 20 billion chips had been burned out of the available supply, according to the portal, in less than a week. The user chooses this burn feature, and it serves no purpose other than to demonstrate their commitment to creating a desirable and sustainable currency for Shib by instilling a fictitious sense of success. Shiba Inu is merely attempting to find a means to transform the absurdity of its existence into a justifiable goal because it is evident that a currency with trillions in quantity can never have a high value. Shib still has a ways to go, even with the burn option, as the meme coin is now only worth 1 sat. It is therefore impossible to attain $1. Shib's price has also been declining more as it dropped 14 in the previous 72 hours, not rising. Shib decreased to 40, rose 20.83 cents, a 7-month low. As things stand, investors weren't especially pleased with the coin price movement, which is why over 70,000 chip holders have sold their holdings since March. It has only gotten harder for them to retain their dedication and commitment to the altcoin as a result of this recent development. Nevertheless, brands and other businesses continue to support the network, including the Shiba Inu inspired burger eatery, Welly. The community's support and efforts to stay on trend are assisting Shiba Inu in staying relevant after Welly stated that the decentralized community will gain 15's ownership of the Welly Corporation and control over the use of the revenue for burns or other uses. However, Shib may soon experience a downturn because it cannot continue to ride the buzz for very long when it comes to a utility and the chain's foundation. Shib is poised to end the week with a 5th straight loss, which will likely prompt a vote of confidence among investors because, despite a new price, Shib has not been really falling on the right side of the trade lately. Investors and traders must start to become weary of the practically pubertal mood swings the cryptocurrency is experiencing as a result of Shib price being one of the few that is bleeding at that precise moment and being an outlier while cryptocurrency markets are rallying. Expect to see a greater outflow of money, which will weaken the price action and perhaps soon cause a falling knife. Shib price continues to have the large 1,000 cents figure in its favor, supporting price action to temporarily consolidate above. However, as more unsolved issues are casting doubt on markets surrounding the assured road forward, along with occasionally unpredictable price movements in Shib, the burden of geopolitical issues and tail risks is expanding daily. Investors begin to lose faith. And should that psychological threshold be crossed once more, at least another test at the 4 zeros and 1,000 cents level might be set off. Expect to see the Shib price cut in half and get closer to 0.507 cents as investors become tired of taking a loss on their investments and turn a blind eye. When those tail risks can be minimized, that weight of the bearish backpack may be reduced. A quick turnaround with Shib price returning to Z, rose 1,500 cents, and bulls pressing against the red descending trend line to create a breakthrough on the descent big trend line, and touches could be caused by some dovish remarks from the Fed, bow, or if the Ukraine news flows fade further into the background as the situation on the ground stabilizes. $0.1708 prior to attempting to rise towards $0.0 to $100 and testing the 55-day simple moving average as an upward price gap. Even while Gala increased in value with Bitcoin and reached a high of 60 cents, it fell to 48 cents with the most recent drop after testing the $7 mark after receiving such interest. Gala, which was among the top 50 cryptocurrencies, became one of the ones that suffered the largest losses during the bear market. The Silky Love Potion SELP token, which is used on the X-Infinity Metaverse platform, fell to position 111 in our list for a time based on its market value. This week, the SELP coin has increased by 3 to 40 cents, which is either a great surprise or expected run. Shiba's gains may have surprised people or were supported by whale behavior. Based on the examination of prices, despite an increasing burn rate, Shiba shouldn't have increased on an uptick. According to the chart shown below, its prior levels did not indicate a bullish movement. Based on the chart, Shiba was going to move in the opposite direction of the magnificent oscillator EO, which was about to go below equilibrium. Similarly, Shiba was expected to travel sideways as indicated by the on-balance volume, AVA. With this research, we can rule out the possibility that the oil pump into the Shiba ecosystem contributed to the price increase. Check out what other metrics say. Shiba had not necessarily experienced a significant volume rise, according to sentiment data. Additionally, from 3.32 trillion to 996.17 billion, the one-day circulation fell. Without a doubt, while supplies had increased, however, these metrics may make it unlikely that there will be a significant rally. Shiba Inu has also obtained a partnership with Shopping in addition to the whale accumulation. Even with the partnership, the CEO of IO, the cryptocurrency-based e-commerce payments platform, acknowledged this development in a tweet, making the chance of a shy brow seem remote. However, Shiba's next move may reveal whether the measurements were reliable. All okay, bye for now. Additionally, we would like to point out that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and that we are not urging you to invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. In light of this, we advise conducting extensive, all-encompassing study on the subject before making any purchases. We trust you enjoyed the video. If you own a Shiba, please let us know in the comments below. Please also subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Shiba Inu land will see you again soon.